Yo, the snow is crazy. Just parked my car on Atlantic. Running home about 5 blocks in the snow. Take a look. My hat blown off. Cool. Cool. The snow is mad thick. Cars is plowed in. Ninjas is getting stuck everywhere. As you can see, minivan getting stuck right now. Still trooping it. About to be on my block. Oh man. Damn. How am I gonna get on the block? Look at these hills, man. Whew. Oh man. You know the corner store is still open though, right? Don't close for nothing. Look how high that snow is. Ain't nobody moving tomorrow. I hope my car's there when I come back tomorrow under that bridge. Alright. Man, I just made it to my door. Oh man, I made it to my door. Woo! Oh. Hi y'all. I'm signing out. Nice Photos. 2010, December 26th. Blizzard. Clocked out of work at 7. Now getting home at 11:55. Crazy. Peace.